Hey everyone, it's Megan with CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning in my Artake tasks planner for the week of December 11th through the 17th, and we're going to be using this kit by PlanMiStickers. It is, I believe, called the Christmas Kawaii kit, and I am so excited to use this because it's the first time I've used this kind of kit in my Artake planner. So if you guys are interested in seeing any previous plan with me's in my Artake planner, I have an entire playlist, so you can check that out. If you are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I craft with tons of different kinds of planner and crafting media, and you can check out the description box below. There will be playlists related to each category, and I also have vlogs and other kinds of videos in there as well, so check that out if you're interested. Hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed so you're notified when I post new videos and you are ready to see all of the fun planner things. So let's go ahead and jump into this week. I think we're going to be okay to actually use the blue in this kit, so that is exciting. I actually already went ahead and cut out the kit because I knew that I would need it and that I would want to go ahead and start planning immediately. So I have everything already cut out and ready to go, and we're just going to go ahead and get started. I actually think I'm going to put this sticker all the way down and use this as a running to-do list because the next week, the 18th through the 24th, my family is coming down for Christmas. I am so excited, but I know there's going to be so much to do. So that is why I'm thinking of using this really long sticker here. And then what we'll do is I'll just white out these little bands and keep this to-do list here, and we're just going to keep that like it is, or maybe like add a washi strip or something. So I think that's what we're going to do. I'm not going to add it yet because I do want to add more of these stickers. If you guys are not already aware, I am an PR for PlanMiStickers. She maybe you might know her as Renee Plans. She changed her name just to represent her a little bit more. So if you guys are familiar with Renee, she is amazing. She has such adorable stickers, and I am for sure fully obsessed with her stickers. Ooh, actually, maybe we'll do this to help, so that way I only have one to white out. That looks like a smarter idea. I like that, but I think we're going to use this blue one instead because that looks fun. Anyway, so like I said, I am a PR for PlanMiStickers until, at least I believe for right now, until the end of 2023. So if you guys are wanting to save some money, go ahead and check out the description box. I will leave her website down in the description box so you can check out all of the amazing stickers she's got. And I do believe she has printable stickers now. She shared them with a couple of us, and we were very, very excited to see that she might be offering printable, or not printable, oh my gosh, tangible stickers very soon. So keep an eye out because she hasn't officially released it at the time of me filming this. So keep your eyes peeled. So this is coming along very nicely. I am thoroughly impressed. Okay, so this is the same one as this one. So is it the same one here? I was going to say we are going to maybe use them. I don't know if I want to use these or not. Maybe we'll try the boxes first, and then we'll go through, decide if I want to use any of the actual stickers. Do I want... Maybe I want it this way. And then a box right here. I actually like that, but I think we might still cover this up. Yeah, So, like I said, we are having our family come for the holidays. I am so excited because they usually come for Thanksgiving, but this year we decided to do Christmas, just because everybody is off already. And so it just makes things easier for like travel and all that fun stuff. So I am so pumped because I'm actually going to be off on Christmas this year, which is surprising. Because working in a theme park, you never know if you're truly off on the holidays or not until, like, you know, it becomes time for the holidays. Sometimes you just expect that you won't be off, but I am off on Christmas this year, so that is super exciting. So we are going to be doing a lot of really, really fun things for Christmas, and I'm so excited. We're going to do a Festival of the Holidays at Epcot. We're going to do the Christmas tree trail at Disney Springs, and we're going to do a lot of other things that are just, we're going to have some family bonding time, which is very, very exciting. We have a tradition in our household, and we've had it for, you know, several years when I was growing up, and so our tradition is to watch It's a Wonderful Life on Christmas Eve. So every year I've tried to hold that tradition true. Most of the time, like I said, because we have most of the time do Thanksgiving together, I spend Christmas with just the people who are here. So, you know, last Christmas it was with my sister and her dog. But I try to watch the It's a Wonderful Life on Christmas Eve when I can, because that's what we did growing up. We watched It's a Wonderful Life on Christmas Eve, and I don't know, it's a hard tradition to explain. Traditions are sometimes like, they just happen, I guess is the best explanation for a tradition. I mean, that's obvious, but I don't know. I just feel like they just happen on their own, and it is a fun thing to experience, like, as a child, and then grow up and just have those experiences again. So that is a tradition that we have. Do you guys have any traditions for the holiday season? Do you do anything? Oh, I put that sticker upside down. Do you do a special movie session? Do you watch all the Christmas movies at one day? Do you spread it out? Do you even watch Christmas movies? And if you aren't celebrating Christmas, do you have like a winter tradition that you do? Like, is there like something that you guys do that you've just done every single December that you can remember? Let me know. I like to hear about people's, you know, holiday traditions, or, you know, if you don't celebrate Christmas, what your traditions are. If you don't celebrate Christmas, I like hearing about them. I think they're so fun, and I just love learning about other people's versions of the holidays. And that's another thing that I love about Epcot, is they do the Festival of the Holidays, and so it's not, you know, there's multiple cultures, so you have multiple different ways to celebrate the season, and it is so cool to see the different like different cultures celebrating the same kind of thing, but different. You know what I mean? Okay, now it is time to add some washi fun to the spread, because I think we are getting close here to being finished. So let me see. Okay. I have to use like a paper backing for sometimes for stuff like this, because I don't want to mess up the page that I'm already on. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my Artake planner using the Washi Christmas kit by PlanMiStickers. Like I said in this video, if you want to save some money off of your order from PlanMiStickers, you can use my code Megan15. It will save you 15% off. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and check out the description box below. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, all of my playlists will be in different categories linked for you already, so you can check that out if you're interested. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was inspirational to you, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!